Moving tips!
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's not an easy task to find a reliable moving helper for your moving during the coronavirus. It is disappointing that some moving companies do not put the health and safety of their customers first when providing their services. It's obvious that the #1 priority these days must be precautionary measures at all levels of protection. We are here for you to open all the professional secrets about safety COVID-19 procedures during the move.
Moving tips!
No contact moves in action. First, in action, the team of professional movers consists of highly trained specialists equipped with the latest innovation in moving. They can easily tackle any kind of moving jobs. Therefore, movers must wear masks, gloves, and booties everywhere they work. Second, a no-contact move begins with scheduling a guided or self-services virtual video survey. This will allow the move consultant to take inventory, provide you a detailed estimate, and schedule your move without meeting with you in your home. Third, on the day of the move, a representative from a moving company will perform a virtual walkthrough of the home with you upon arrival, using video chat. This is your opportunity to explain any needs you may have during the process. Fourth, the representative will perform a second virtual walkthrough with you before they depart origin. This will be to ensure all work is done and nothing was left behind. Upon arrival at the destination home, a third virtual walkthrough is conducted to discuss details of unloading and placement. They will do a final virtual walkthrough when items are unloaded and unpacked.
Moving tips!
Fifth, if it's important that you minimize the number of people inside your home, you can ask to deliver items to a garage or only certain spaces as an extra measure of distancing. These practices allow you to move without ever having people outside your household enter your home. Sixth, regardless of which no-contact move measures you would like to take, you must notify your move consultant in advance. They will need to design your move quote and organize the team to comply with these requests. Seventh, being respectful and understanding to customers, a moving company won't charge any additional money if you need to cancel or reschedule your move. Call beforehand to make any change and they will find a way out.
Moving tips!
What to know during moving through COVID-19? Movers propose protection resources upon request, as you need to wear a mask and gloves as well. If you don't wear any, please stay offside and away from the movers to protect them and their families. You need to provide movers with the possibility to wash their hands as often as needed. A single move can take up to 10 hours. Control ventilation and open windows regularly. Please clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces, especially doorknobs and handles before the movers arrive. Reschedule your move if you or members of your family feel sick or first symptoms. You should consider the health risk factors of you and your family before requesting a no-contact move. If you are at low risk, we highly recommend a traditional move with extensive sanitation and distancing protocols in place. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to push the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our new videos. You can also find a lot of helpful info on our blog at moving-me.com. And as always, good luck with your move!
Moving tips!